Let's learn how to convert decimals to fraction. For example, express 0.65 as a fraction in its simplest form. To do this, just follow these steps. Solution. We try to make this decimal become a fraction. That is, we write 0.65 over 1. Remember that any number over 1 is still the same as that number. Now the next thing you do is to find the equivalent of this fraction, and you do this by multiplying by powers of 10. That is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, depending on this. You look out for the number of decimal places you have. In this case, we have 2 decimal places. That is, we work with 100. So therefore, I will multiply this by 100. And also this by 100. This is because it has 2 decimal places, so 2 zeros. So if you're working with one that has 3 decimal places, it will be what? 1000, 3 zeros. So from here, we're going to arrive at 0.65 multiplied by 100 will give you 65. It's a very simple multiplication that you don't need to rack your head about. Over 1 times 100, that will give you 100. Now the next thing you do is you try to bring this fraction to its simplest form. And remember, whatever you do to numerator, you also apply the same to the denominator. So we'll divide by factors. So in this case now, we'll apply 65 divided by 5 and also 100 divided by 5. This would give us 1, 3, 13, and then 5 in 100, that is 20. Therefore, our final answer is that 0.65 equals 13 over 20. This is how we convert from decimals to fraction. Thank you.